Hello, everyone, and welcome back to 85 Beauty Talks. I'm Keela Fowler, founder and CEO of 85 Beauty. We are a makeup education company, and we help women learn how makeup can be easy and accessible. Because when you're trying to do it on your own, there's an expectation that you're supposed to know how to, and subscribe to that. That is inaccurate information, and all it does is make us feel bad about ourselves when we're like, I don't know how to do this stuff. So that's why I'm here. I'm here to help. Today, we're talking about liquid eyeliner. I am in the process of putting together an eyeliner workshop, so please keep your eyes open for that. If you are watching this right now and you're like, wait, what? Liquid eyeliner? Like, yes, now. Wait, what? It's not just going to be liquid eyeliner. It's going to be like all things eyeliner. And if you are hearing this and you instantly want to know what's happening, I need you to email me at hello@eightyfivebeauty.com so that I can give you scenes details of when to expect that, but it will be coming soon. As I have been the details of what's going to be included in the workshop, the concept of liquid eyeliner kept coming up. And what I keep hearing is that it's a catastrophe. It doesn't make sense. Lines get wobbly. It's a disaster, etc., etc. So I'm going to tell you and show you three things that is going to give you a boost in being able to be successful with liquid eyeliner. Number one, you want to start on your non-dominant side. So for me, I am right-handed. So instead of working on my right eye first, I'm going to work on my left eye first. The reason behind this is you are going to have the most amount of control on the side that is your dominant side. So you can more easily adapt the dominant side to match the non-dominant side. Put on my eyeliner. If I start on my non-dominant, make it thicker than I meant to by accident, all I have to do is match what I've done on my non-dominant, using my dominant hand on my dominant eye, which is a lot easier than when you are trying to get the non-dominant side to match, and then you're like, oh, wait, a little more here, a little more here, and then you become that meme that's like, before you know it, you're just eyeliner all over your face. So tip one, start on your non-dominant side. Do that eye first. Tip two, you want to place, not drag. And I'm going to show you exactly what I mean by that. Far too often, I think there's an expectation that people are going to be able to just like swoop their eyeliner, easy peasy, as much as you can across your hand, across your eye. That is silly, but we believe it because it just seems like that's what they do, right? In the movies and everywhere. But like, no, that's not true. What you want to do is you want to actually place the eyeliner. Far too often, I see people pulling and holding and adjusting your eye. For every time you move your eye, when you place color down and then release, everything just shifted. So you want to keep your eye as is. You want to use a mirror, and you're going to place the pen, lay it down flat against your eye, and then release it. Color shows up. You can see it. There's color here. Oh, right there. I didn't drag anything. So I'm just placing. I'm laying the pen on its side, and I am placing it against my skin and releasing. Place and release. And what I keep doing is I keep just adding. I'm inching my way inward so that I am placing more and more color until I have it where I want it. Now I'm going to do the same going outward. You can switch the direction you hold your pen, but I'm placing. I'm just laying the pen down flat. Notice I'm not swiping anything, placing. And when you do that, exactly where you place your pen is where the color's going to go. Just like so. So, step one, do your non-dominant eye first. Step two, you're going to place color, not drag color. Step three, really need you to hear me on this one. When you're doing your liquid liner, less is more. A lot of us instantly want to start with like, I want a big, awesome winged liner. Like, y'all, you're going to have to start small and build your way up. So let me go ahead and put a little baby wing on this side. Okay, just like a little teeny. Now I'm going to place my eyeliner. So I'm just tapping the pen against my skin. And if you find when you're doing this, there's a gap, you want to actually feel as though you are laying this on top of the base of your eyelashes. That will help you with your placement. So when you try, now remember, I'm a makeup artist, so I'm really good at this. When you try to do one big swoop of line, you're not going to have as much control as you would like. So it can end up being real thick, real fast. Like so. Now, to try to get this side to match this side, oh my, like that's going to take a lot of practice. That's going to take a lot of precision, balancing to see, okay, how far out did I go on this side? It's about that far. So now I have to go about that far. Is this angle the same as that angle? I think so. And then let me fill this in. Oh, is it too thick? Is it not thick enough? Like, it's tricky. But again, I'm good at this. This is what I do. But if this isn't something you've been having a lot of practice with, it's going to take some time. So you want to start small. Start with like a little baby, just like a little baby wing, and then build it up. That's the best way to like approach liquid liner. So start small and then get a little thicker as you go. Liquid liner can be an absolute pain to clean up and fix. And liquid liner isn't what you want or need for every single look. But when you're going for it, you can absolutely make it work. You got to start small. You want to start on your non-dominant side. You want to place the color, not swipe the color. And then you want to, as I said, start small. Like just give it a little something. Doesn't have to be like a whole big, intense, super fancy line, super fancy wing. Start with a little bit and then add more and you'll get where you're trying to go. So I have a free gift for you because generosity is how I like to lead my life. So when you go to 85beauty.com/easy, you get to download a free chapter of my signature program, Secret Makeup Handbook. It is a video series that teaches you everything, all the foundational knowledge that you need to know to feel super successful with makeup. And you get a free chapter. All you have to do, you go to 85beauty.com/easy and you'll get your free download. I hope you find this helpful. And if you are excited for the eyeliner workshop and you want first dibs at being able to secure your ticket for that, go ahead and comment below like I want in and I will make sure to put you on the wait list, or you can email me hello@eightyfivebeauty.com and I will be able to help you out. As always, stay fabulous and I'll see you all next time. Bye y'all.